Certainly when we're thinking about Jackson Hole, it turns out to be a snooze fest, but not the case last Friday. And of course, overnight we got some headlines regarding the independence of the Fed. So what do you make of all of this?
Yes. So, I mean, last week, we had Fed Chair Powell's speech on Friday, which, was the long-awaited event. He did have a slightly dovish shift. Like his language was a little bit more dovish than when we had last heard from him. It was also the first time we'd heard from him since we had the weak jobs report, right? So acknowledging the weakness, kind of that we started to see, with the big negative revisions, and kind of moved a step closer, as we've been talking about setting the table, right? He moved another step closer, to that the September rate cut. Now, at this point, we still have, kind of a couple major economic data points, kind of ahead of us, with the jobs report next week, and then inflation, in 2 weeks, right? So we'll have, he did kind of maintain that optionality, but, markets seem to be kind of, pretty well prepared for that September cut.